Adjust the height of the bar before you put the weight on. When you put the weight on, it's too heavy to move. With the Smith machine, you have to unhook it. So you might even have this be a little bit lower than a normal squat bar because you got to get underneath it, lift it up, and then unhook the bar. So keep that in mind when you're trying to place the height of the bar. Every Smith machine has a safety mechanism. You can see here I'm moving them up. The idea is that if you get so low in your squat and that you can't get back up, you can just set the weight down and get out from underneath the bar without it crushing you. If you feel comfortable squatting, great, you might not use these, but keep an eye on them because sometimes people leave them up and then you'll go to squat and then you hit it. With a sumo squat, you're going to be positioning your feet just outside your shoulders with your toes pointed slightly out. And with the Smith machine, you're going to have your hips directly underneath the bar, which means you're going to start with your feet fairly out in front of you. You can lean against the bar because it's not going to go forward or backward. It's just going to go up and down. So when you start, you might feel like your feet are way too far out in front of you. But when you lower into a squat, you're going to then feel that your hips are right underneath your shoulders, which is what you want. Now, when you're squatting, a proper squat form is you want to make sure that your knees are not collapsing in. You want to keep your knees in the same direction as your toes. So because our toes are slightly pointed out, our knees will follow that. Then when you're done, all you have to do is turn the handle to hook those latches, and then you can get out underneath the bar freely.